available? Yes, tell me. 30 gram, but maximum holding capacity. Now we'll have to see in which two condition it can become. जब ये 60 हो जाएगा तो इसका मतलब 60/60 means what? 100% relative humidity. RH is 100% and RH 100% means saturation, and this is the point. It is in a what? D point. Yes, it means condensation start. This is the temperature at which RH or saturation, RH 100% or saturation, both the word are same. But अभी कितना available है? Yes, tell me. 30 gram. I said that suppose I said that in Delhi 30 gram is available, but kitna it should be maximum capacity is 60 gram, and some western disturbance come from here. Which comes? Western disturbance, and it comes in the winter period, and when it comes they will come with the moistures. Yes or not? Rainfall and moistures, and they will be able to give an extra moisture. Yes or not? They will be able to give extra moisture. इसलिए winter में आप sometimes, so many times they have been converted into what is now small hanging water droplets. Moisture available and they have been converted into fog. जो ट्रेन सारी पूरा हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड यूपी का दिस पार्ट दे स्टार्टेड अफेक्टिंग. बिहार साइड में उतना फॉग नहीं होता है जितना आपको किधर होता है फॉग. यस, टेल मी. इन द विंटर वेयर द फॉग यू आर फाइंडिंग? पंजाब वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस कम्स टिल व्हाट इज ना पटना तक पहुंचता है. मैक्सिमम अप टू व्हाट इज ना इलाहाबाद में फिनिश हो जाता है. मतलब 10 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल करता है. बाय रीचिंग पटना 5 सेंटीमीटर, and maximum this side is. So the maximum humidity, so किधर मिलेगा? So who is causing this to be what is na 100%? क्यों हो रहा है? How it is becoming RH 100%? By addition. By addition. The first I said that by addition available is this. Then western disturbance has given it and make it what? Made it what? 100%, and at that point saturation occurred, condensation starts, and then there is, and I said that fog and all dew point, or 20 degrees Celsius will become the dew point. Another point I said that by decrease in temperature, by decrease in temperature. So the another point we are watching, by decrease in, suppose I said that this 20 degrees Celsius temperature is at 6 p.m. in the evening. It is at what? And what is available? 30 gram upon what? 60. This is available. But as the night started increasing, what you are finding? Over the period it becomes 17 degrees Celsius at 10 p.m. Temperature decreases in the night. So 30/50 holding capacity, जैसे temperature ठंडा होगा, the holding capacity started what? Reducing. Yes. And in the night at 1 p.m. it become 15 degrees Celsius, and that time it become, I said that 30/40. How much it become? At 1 p.m. And then I said that now by reaching 4 p.m. the temperature become 12 degrees Celsius, and that time 30/, and that is RH 100%, and that becomes your condensation. That becomes your what? Understood? And the dew formation will start taking place at what? 12 degrees Celsius. Understood it? पहले आप ड्यू पॉइंट क्या देखा? 20. So it can be attained at any temperature. लेकिन अभी भी मैं गलत बोल रहा हूं, ड्यू पॉइंट गलत है यहां पर, सिंपली मुझे बोलना है कंडेंसेशन. व्हाट आई सेड दैट, कंडेंसेशन. अंडरस्टूड इट. और RH 100% और सैचुरेशन इज अकरिंग एट 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस. समझ में आ गया. विच आर द टू फैक्टर्स कॉजिंग. इसीलिए समटाइम्स सपोज विच रीजन इज मोर कोल्डर, रूरल एरिया और अर्बन एरिया. Rural area. If you go into the Punjab and Haryana in the winter and there is also wheat plant in the field और वो ठंडा होगा and this region will become fast cold, decrease in temperature, and some water in the what field, वो थोड़ा मॉइस्चर देगा और साथ में फास्ट कूलिंग. रात में आप at 11, 12 or 1 PM you started finding lots of fog. Why? Not only decrease in temperature contributing rural areas and agricultural field, they are also what? Addition of some. But Delhi में आप generally देखते हो कि सुबह सुबह fog ज़्यादा आ जाता है. Yes, and the fog becomes more because the decrease in temperature is slowly it is happening. Already it is very hot. Understood? So we have been able to see, understood RH 100%. Now the next point that we have to see, dew point. So ड्यू पॉइंट के लिए यही एक फैक्टर है पहला जो हमें देखना है. फर्स्ट इट इज व्हाट, RH शुड बी 100% और सैचुरेशन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. यस. सेकेंड पॉइंट, सपोज करो हाउ मच इट इज अवेलेबल. यहां पे मैं कितना दिखा रहा हूं, हाउ मच इट इज अवेलेबल, 30 अवेलेबल, एंड देन होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी 60 और 60 कीप ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. और सुबह 4 बजे 30/30 हो गया. वाई? टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज. लेकिन उसी समय वन विंड मूव, ये तो कैपेसिटी ये दिखती नहीं है. वन विंड मूव इस अवेलेबल में से 10 हैज गॉन, व्हाट लेफ्ट? 20/30. सैचुरेशन विल नॉट अक्कर. सैचुरेशन विल अक्कर नॉट. सो ड्यू विल अक्कर, D will not occur. It means dew point बनने के लिए what is the most important? RH 100%, and then wind should move or there should be calm condition. There should be another. It is, I said that calm condition. यदि wind move करता रहेगा then the dew will not occur. क्योंकि they will keep on removing the available moisture. Understood? Another point. This is a night time, and night time what the temperature you have seen? 6 PM 20 degrees Celsius, then 17, then 15, then 12. It keeps on decreasing. Yes. Why it is decreasing? In the night, when the earth get in the daytime heated, they keep on radiating the heat. And slowly earth's surface started becoming what? Colder. But what is happening? If there is a cloud, then this terrestrial radiation, the earth radiating the heat, it will return back. And when it will return back, then the temperature 20, 17, 15 या 12 यहाँ पर आता है 17. Very slow cooling. देखते होंगे ना, after the rainfall, even the heat is there. आप लोग सोचते there should be what, heat should release. But the cloudy sky is there, then what is that? You can't be able to what? Reduce the temperature. So if the temperature will not reduce and if the 12 degrees Celsius is not coming, then you can't be able to get the RH 100%. तो sky कैसा होना चाहिए? Cloudy or clear? So the dew point के लिए another important point I said that clear sky. RH 100% is not a dew point. RH 100% is one of the important factor for dew point. Understood it? But it is also another two factors are important. Which one I said that? Calm condition and clear sky and RH 100%. That temperature is known as, yes, clear? और यहाँ पे कितने पे ड्यू बनेगा? If calm condition, clear sky at 12 degrees Celsius. But if I say that, what is frost point? Same thing. I said that RH 100% calm condition, and then I said that clear sky, but the temperature should be below or equal to 0 degree Celsius. That becomes your frost point. Dew point, frost point. Okay? So we have seen, like I said, that absolute humidity, relative humidity, then dew point, and then frost point. One thing that we have seen, like I said, that some suspended particles in the, after the condensation, some suspended particles are in the atmosphere, that is known as fog. Thereafter we have seen mist, and one we have seen, I said that, hedge. क्या देखा आपने? Haze, mist and fog. I said that haze, mist and fog. इसको इसी order में याद रखना है आपको. You have to remember this thing in the same order. And how you can remember? एक लड़का loves a girl and then he is not able to talk to that girl. You know that it is in a, वो होता है ना, हार्ट अटैक वाला सिचुएशन होता है. यू आर सेइंग पता नहीं चाटा मिल जाए. तो उस लड़की से क्या बोला? है मिस, क्या बोला? है मिस, योर डॉग इज बार्किंग. हैज मिस्ड फॉग. कैन यू रिमेंबर दिस थ्री? हे, मिस, योर डॉग. Haze, mist. When the visibility is 2 kilometer in the suspended water, it is in a haze. आप 2 किलोमीटर तक देख सकते हैं. And when the visibility is 1 kilometer, I said that it is in a mist. And the visibility is very less, 50 meter, 100 meter, 20 meter तक, very less, it is known as fog. Haze, mist, fog. And all are a condition of suspended particles after condensation in the atmosphere. Okay? Haze. So after the fog, this will be there in the atmosphere. And when the fog, sometimes very smaller particle, what is a frost, it is also suspended sometimes in the what is cold countries or higher mountainous region. I said that स्मॉग, और ये अर्बन रीजन में होता है. स्मॉग प्लस फॉग, तो इसमें केमिकल पॉल्यूटेंट प्लस फॉग, केमिकल पॉल्यूटेंट प्लस फॉग. क्लियर? केमिकल पॉल्यूटेंट प्लस फॉग. एंड you know that one word is what? जितने भी water droplets are forming in the atmosphere, they need some kind of chair or means sitting arrangement. Means it is known as a cloud condensation equivalent. जब भी water droplets, water vapor converts into water droplet, इसके center में एक particles होता है, इसके चारों तरफ वो बनते हैं. That is known as a CCN, cloud condensation nuclei. I said that यदि थोड़ा सा हो, सपोज करो, तो इसका मतलब फॉग में क्या है? यस, टेल मी, व्हाट इज देयर इन द फॉग? डस्ट पार्टिकल्स आर देयर. और ये हमारे लिए हार्मलेस नहीं है. इट इज नॉट फॉर हार्मफुल फॉर अस. लेकिन इसमें केमिकल पॉल्यूटेंट है एट द सेंटर इन द अर्बन एरियाज, और हम लोग बड़ा मजा आता है फॉग में चल रहे हैं एंड और चलो चाय की चुस्कियां ले रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज a chemical pollutant, and the fog is also getting in my body. Yes. And then chemical pollutant. And especially हमारी body, we have a more better immune system, a stronger immune system, but comparatively kids and what? Kids and what? Aged people, they have a problem related to this. और ये आपको environment में पढ़ना. Understood it? So that is causing high level of what is diseases. So that is a smog And another word it is there, photochemical smog. What is the photochemical smog? Yes, tell me. Raise your hand. Photochemical smog. I said photochemical smog. If I am talking about photochemical smog, थोड़ा सा आपको जानकारी दे रहे हैं. There is a hydrocarbons in our atmosphere or not? There are hydrocarbons by the fossils burning and all. They are available in the atmosphere. And there is also nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere by burning the fossils. कहाँ पे ज़्यादा होंगे? In the highly urbanized region. You will not find these things in the what is in Haridwar and all. You will find in Delhi. There is a high amount of what is in hydrocarbons, volatile organic compound. आपके घर में भी है. If I said that आपका पेंट्स करते हो, आप पेंट करते हो तो उससे रिलीज होता है हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. In your house there is a mosquitoes are there, mosquito repellents, hydrocarbons. मतलब कहाँ नहीं आप लोगों ने हम लोगों ने बना दिया है lots of hydrocarbons in the atmosphere. And in the hour if I have a mat, in the mat we have a formaldehyde. जब उसमें ज़्यादा दिन डस्ट आ जाता है, it started converting and making with the help of bacteria into the formaldehyde. So there is a lots of, and then by burning fossil fuels and hydrocarbons and then nitrogen oxides. In the presence of sunlight, sunlight means photo, chemical, photochemical, there is a chemicals, and that gives us what? Ozone gas, and that is acting as a smog. It is acting as what? And that is dangerous for human being. It is an ozone available in the upper atmosphere. It is not dangerous, but it is available in the lower atmosphere. It is what? वहाँ पे तो it is helping in what is saving us from the ultraviolet rays and all. लेकिन ये दिल्ली में बहुत दिखता है. बहुत दिखता क्या अभी भी है. यदि आप जाओगे थोड़ा सा ओपन एरिया में, दूर में देखोगे there is a little हल्की सी brownish by the over the by what is getting onto the roof. So Delhi has photochemical smog. Okay? जल्दी तैयारी करो और भागो यहाँ से. So I said that it is not good for health and all. यही नहीं है, so many things are there. ये तो one of the things that I said that several chemical pollutants and all. या तो घर में अपना एयर प्यूरिफिकेशन वाटर प्यूरिफायर होता है, एयर प्यूरिफायर that you have to. So we have finished with this. Okay? So keep on writing some questions based on whatever the question has been asked and whatever the question I have given you. And remember थोड़ा सा पहले रहें आप लोग. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग लेट, टाइम पे रहें, मैं भी टाइम पे रहूँगा. Okay? So कल बहुत सारी चीज़ें ख़त्म करनी है मुझे. Tomorrow. So we'll meet tomorrow. And whatever the question came